Hi everyone, welcome to Divine Empress Vibes. Today we will check as to what's the current tea on you. Okay, I just had this thing that a lot is going around currently. I mean, with the planetary shifts, and of course, people are facing a lot of changes. So let's see what's coming up for you, what is going around you, inside you, outside you. Here, there are two piles to pick from. You have this tiger's eye, pile one, and pile two will be this gold stone. Close your eyes, pick anyone intuitively. Timestamps will be mentioned in the description box below, and I will see you in your reading. Hi, pile one. So, if you have chosen this tiger's eye or this card, knowledge. So, people are talking about your knowledge, about your voice, about your intelligence, about the wisdom that you carry. And I also feel that they love your confidence with the tiger's eye. I feel you are somebody who could be very confident, or you're trying to build your confidence. Maybe you are very intellectual, or you keep updating yourself. Your knowledge is something that people admire and they want to know how you know things. Okay, I also feel you're somebody who could be somebody scholarly, or would, or at least aspire yourself to be somebody who is very knowledgeable, in terms of either you are a bookworm, or you like to read books or read newspapers, articles, get more knowledge, get more information. You also own some kind of esoteric knowledge. You are a wise being. Okay, sometimes you don't even know where the knowledge comes from. You feel like, I just know things, I just don't know, I don't even read books that much. With this knowledge, I'm also getting that your Mercury is very strong, and Jupiter is really strong in your chart. Okay, number 3 or 5 can be significant, could be your date of birth or your life path number. That's what I'm getting. Let's see what's the T on you. Okay, so I'm going to pick a few cards. I'm not going to keep this very lengthy. What's the T on pile one? One. Obsessed. Okay, so you do have someone who is currently very obsessive about you. Maybe there is a toxic cycle that you've recently ended, some karmic situation, some unhealthy possessiveness, or you have a karmic person who is totally obsessed over you. Okay, there is something about you that this person is unable to get over with. Okay, now but you seem to be blocking, you're dodging the bullets, you seem to be dodging the negativity in your life. Some of you are, or somebody in your life, things that you are unable to pay your bills, or you may have troubles with your finances, or this person could also have financial issues. There can be a financial difference in between you two, but mostly about you. So I do feel that somebody in the family, or or it could be you, that could be going through some kind of financial blockage because of this obsessive lover, or in general. Okay, I do feel that no matter what happens, that's, so the current tea is something that people think about you. It's not necessary that it's your reality. Okay, but I do feel that you, this pile, have some love issues going on. Could be a third party situation, could be a love triangle, and somebody is being blocked to even reach out to you. Okay, people are talking that you may have someone who is totally into you, but there is a karmic who's trying to create problem and block your connection. Or maybe this connection is totally karmic and you're letting go this person because you feel this is too toxic. Okay, or they could also see you as a toxic one, because you're somewhere, they feel that you are the one who is creating this situation, right? So just take it as it resonates. What is the T on pile one? King of Pentacles, Five of Swords. I do see competition around you, and Eight of Swords. Somebody is not happy with who you are as a person, with your aura. So you may have recently won something, or you've always proved to be this winner in your life, who always happen to somehow get things your way. Maybe you recently achieved something, or maybe you recently won an award, or some people have been recognizing you for your efforts. I also feel that your love life and your career life is both being checked on. Okay, people are having trouble, maybe even doing some kind of, or throwing some kind of negativity about your love life or your career life. I do see this as workplace competition, and people eyeing on what you're doing, and you always winning by, while they always get the second or third place. And also I feel that some people think that you already have a partner, but you are eyeing on another partner, or they, or if this could also be somebody eyeing your committed relationship, like they aren't happy that you're happy, that why you are in a committed relationship while they are struggling with their relationship. And while I was talking about third party connection and a love triangle, I do feel that you may be taken, or other your partner could be taken, and there is a third person in this connection who's unhappy with your connection. Okay, or this could already a one-sided lover who's actually wanting to be with you, but you're already committed, or you already have your heart given to somebody else, right? And it seems like your love life is thriving, your career life is thriving, and somebody is stressing about it because they are negative about it. They are having sleepless night, like why this person is always getting what they want, and I am unable, I'm love deprived, I am money deprived, I don't, I study so much, I work hard so much, my knowledge is also good, but I don't always get what he or she gets. Number 14 can be significant. Number 5 is coming up very strongly, which I was getting earlier also. And number 8 can be significant. Okay. Number 7, but you seem to be keeping boundaries from these people because you're very smart. You're not even a logically smart person. You are also could be a leader, could be a mentor, could be a motivational speaker, could be somebody at who boss lady, or basically somebody at a CEO position, or even at a higher level leadership position, okay, at your work. And even if you're not, you are somebody who have this aura, which can change the dynamic of the room the moment you enter. Okay, people listen to you when you talk, while maybe it's not the same with the other people. Okay, maybe people are also talking about your dressing style, about what you dress, how you dress, you always look so rich and put together. Okay, maybe you're wearing a lot of shades of purple or greens. That is also I'm getting. And talking about the science, air science, earth science, and fire sign coming significant. Number 7 can also be very significant. Now I do feel that, see how this woman is leading, right? You could be leading at your position or leading at whatever you do, and you are always showing progress in your life. And these people are not that very progressive, or whoever is around you, maybe some of them are smiling on your face, while some people are really happy for you, while others are, most part of it, I feel there are a lot of people who are unhappy with your growth. Let's see what else is coming up. What's the current tea on you? What's the current tea on pile 1 square? Lilies. Okay, so you are also very pure at heart, or you have this kind of appearance to yourself. Your beauty is very appealing. You are somebody who, even if you find yourself to be not very beautiful, but you have a charming face, you have a glowing face, you seem to be innocent by heart, even though you know a lot of things. You have not adulterated your innocence somewhere. Okay, you will always think, you are somebody who mostly thinks, not always at least, but mostly think good about other people also, especially if they are not harming you. But of course it's vice versa, you can show your bad side if people are not being good to you, or maybe karma takes care of these people, because we do have the Saturn card here. Okay, and good luck in reverse, which is telling me that anytime people try to bitch about you, or say rude things about you, gossip about you, they get the karma of their own duties, or whatever they say, whatever gossip they have been giving, or whatever lies they have been throwing behind your back, it's just backfired. And I also feel that you are somebody who is actually very pure. You keep yourself you keep yourself, you keep it straight, you keep it truthful, you speak your mind, good or bad. I think you are a very straightforward and honest person. Okay, and some people can't digest with the way you speak. Maybe you don't sugarcoat and say things, and they want you to sugarcoat and say things, and that's not how everybody is, right? Just you do you, pile one. Okay, you don't have to change yourself, your dressing style, the way you speak, just because somebody is unhappy with your performance. If people are taking you as a competition, because they are not a vibrational match to you, they have to level up to your energy. Okay, your angels are also supporting you. Maybe you are somebody who is not only just very not only very successful, but you are also very spiritually aligned. So you take material and spiritual world into hand in hand. Okay, you balance it all. See, now mice is also talking about gossip, about people talking s about you, and because they are unable to get your cheese, your butter, or whatever it is, but you do not have to pay attention to negativity. You have to dodge, keep them away. Okay, if you feel like doing your protection ritual, and you should totally go for it and protect your energy by all means. Number 23 can also be significant. Again, the 5 energy. Now, too much of 5 energy can also be very conflicting energy. Okay, that means there is competition, that means there is a lot of changes happening and some people being unhappy with the changes. Maybe the upcoming 555 portal is also going to be very crucial for you because big changes are going to come your way. All right, so that's what I'm getting. Now I would like to take an advice as to what you can do. What you can do. All right, though I do feel that you're doing completely fine and you are somewhere protecting yourself, I just would like to, before I take the guidance card, I just want to take one more card. Okay, one more card, but just completely forgot about this deck. Okay, what's the T on pile 1? See, your angels are protecting you from all the 4 directions, so you don't need to worry. Okay, angels of the 4 directions is also telling me that maybe you are very spiritually connected. You do your healing works with angels, you call upon your angels. 444, some lot of you could see a lot of 444, 144. Okay, 114, and your energy should be, and your focus should be on planning an action, or not on you, on building your future, not on these people. Okay, so now we'll check what is the one card advice that we can take. One card advice that we can take for you. Embrace uncertainty. There will be uncertain situations, but you don't have to get scared or be like, okay, now I wasn't expecting this to happen, because there are certain things which are happening which is very uncertain, unpredictable, people behaving weird. That's all right. Just stay grounded, all right, and you just go for it. This could also be negativity stopping you from going further or progressing in life. You are being advised, just go for it, embrace the uncertainty. Think new changes are coming into your life and it may not be familiar, but you do you. All right, pile 1, so this is what I have for you. I hope you got some clarity through my reading, and if you resonated with anything, comment and let me know. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can reach out to me via Instagram or WhatsApp. And until next time, pile 1, take care. Bye bye. Hi pile 2, if you have chosen this gold stone, now you need to know that gold stone is also a stone of stability, of security. Okay, so maybe you feel that your grounds are a little shaken, or you might not feel stable at the very moment. So if you feel so, then you can certainly reach out for to me for a crystal like gold stone, or wear like a gold stone, or keep around it. Okay, it's a trap. Okay, the current T on you is like, people are trying to put you in a trap, or you feel trapped. It also feels like an eight of swords energy to me. Maybe you are into a mind set where you feel everything is getting blocked. My money is getting blocked, my relationships are falling apart, or my mental health is gone for a toss. I'm trying to go for something, for a success, to get this cheese, but people are throwing problems in front of me, and you feel caged at the moment. Or maybe this is also about unconfessed feelings from somebody, and there is a communication problem. Okay, so let's see more with this card. What else? What's the current T on pile 2? What's the current T on pile 2? What's the current T on pile 2? Okay. Okay. There's a love triangle here too. What's up with both the piles? I also sense that in pile 1 and here. Okay, I do see that there are multiple choices right now at this very moment. Okay, somebody could be into a committed relationship, or maybe coming out of a connection, and they are forced to stay in that in a toxic connection because of child services. Okay, and they feel that it's their duty to be in this marriage, to be in this relationship. Okay, or pay for the bills of this person, this child, and that's why they may not choose you at the very moment. And people are talking about it. If you are into a common workplace, people are talking about it, or this could be also in general your friends and family members. But I do feel that they have a choice, and there's a third party, there is multiple lovers, and you are walking away. You're choosing yourself because this person may be not choosing you, and that is why this person may want to reach out to you again, because you are showing them their back, or you've already told them that listen, this is now how it's going to work out. I understand you're choosing your family or your kids, and you have to pay for your services and pay for the bills at home and take care of your responsibilities, but I am not getting enough from this connection. I've been giving and investing too much of my energy here, and now I feel I don't want to be in such an energy, and you are walking away. Okay, it could be you who is walking away from this connection and choosing your mental peace, and you, because you don't want to be into this mental trap. Correct? And a closer look, nosy up in your business, is also telling me a lot of people actually are watching you and talking about this situation, or this person is still obsessing over you, and this person is still wanting to know that what is making you walk away from them, what is keeping you so strong. Okay, and they feel trapped, or this person could, if this is not your energy, this could be a person's energy who could feel trapped between choice A and choice B, and they have to make a choice. Right? Now let's see more. What's the T on you? And there are a lot of people apart from this person. I do feel there are other people also who's trying to get a scoop on your business, about your whereabouts, about who you're talking to, your dating life, your relationship, if you are still dating this person, or if you've walked away. So there's a lot of gossip going on. I also feel there is a lot of work gossip going on. Okay, you are the person on your mind, if this is about a person, could have kids, could be already into a committed relationship. Okay, what's the currency on Friday? So this is Three of Cups, again third party energy. This is turned out to be a love reading. Anyway, Page of Chalices, which is Knave of Chalices, is Page of Cups, and Eight of Pentacles. Back of the deck we have King of Wands energy. I do, this is a confirmed situation. This is about love triangle or third party situation. There could be three people involved, and this person is reflecting. This person wants to choose you, wants to offer you something. Okay, they may come back with an apology. They might also leave one situation to be with you. And you seem to be focused on yourself. You are building your pentacles, your money, your finances. You are committed to your work. Okay, and this person is ready to take action towards you. They, because it, you've been the runner for a very long time, and they have been the this person have been the runner for a very long time, and you've been chasing them. Now you are not chasing, you are taking back your power, you're taking back the energy, and you're focusing on yourself, on your money, on building your life, on what makes you happy, in your hobbies, in your artwork, in your creativity, and you seem to be happy. And this is what is making them feel that, why there is a sudden pull away from the energy, why I'm not happy. I have this thing going on here, and I should be happy in my family life. I'm also trying to make other people happy, but I am missing this energy because because this person is unable to get your energy, and they feel they are trapped in their own energy, in their own misery. Okay, while I see you thriving here. Number 8 can be significant, number 3 can be significant, right? Yeah, number 12, which is again number 3, 14 can be significant. You may have recently done some fire ritual, or you are doing some healing work, you are working on your healing as well. And I also feel that water, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio is coming up strong here, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. These are the prominent signs that I can see. This person, whoever is, there's one particular person who's reflecting on their past actions, and they are unhappy without you. Okay, they're unhappy. See, this person is also unhappy because you seems to be walking away. You have given the deadline, you have given the ultimatum, and now you're choosing yourself, and that's the current T on you. Okay, you're working on your stability. Up for pile 2. It's coming up to pile 2. Letter. So now this person may also reach out to you because they want to send you a letter, confess their feelings, or maybe 27 can be significant, number 9 can be significant. This could also be that this person may be living at a distance, and they might reach out to you via message, or they might literally come to meet you. Okay, but they have something to say to you, because this letter is telling me, number 7, is telling me that there is something that is unconfessed, not expressed, or they have something to say to you, to offer you. And lady is also telling me this could also be in the form of money, in the form of a surprise gift, or literally a proposal coming your way. Okay. Yeah. What else is coming here? For those of you who are waiting for some kind of financial offer or job offer, I do feel that you might be receiving an offer very soon. Okay. Optimism. Yes, you seem to be very optimistic. You are very happy. You seem to be very much in this energy where like I me myself. And it's good. Self-love is very important because that's how you attract everything in your life, what you truly deserve. Okay, you are so green, wearing green color can really bring you a lot of abundance, and your consciousness is also rising. You see how many fruits are here. It's like you are ready to rule the world. Okay, you've freed yourself from any kind of cage or trap, and you're being optimistic about your life, right? See how this girl is also very happy here. She's building her life again, even if it means building from scratch. And that's the guarantee on you. That's what people feel, that you're very optimistic, happy-go-lucky, or you were a victim mentality earlier. Now you're releasing yourself to optimistic. Okay, from pessimistic to optimistic. And back of the day, or constitution. Yes, you left this behind, and now it seems this energy is being transferred to somebody else who is feeling the lack of love, of money, because you have taken your power back. You have walked away. Even in this picture, the girl is walking away. If this picture, the girl is showing her back. So it seems like you have shown your back to somebody, and that is the current on you. And somebody is very upset about it because they are lacking the energy, the happiness, and they want to know about you, what you're doing, and what is this sudden surprise, what is the sudden change of energy that I'm unable to deal with. Now what do you need to do at this point of time? Okay, what is the advice coming up for you? Communicate. See, don't just shut the doors on them. Try to understand their point of view. If they are coming towards you, you don't have to reach out. Let me tell you, and I repeat, let this person come and talk to you. Okay, because I surely feel that there is some form of communication also coming up because we have the letter here, and we have talk to the moon and communicate. Okay, you or this person could be talking to the moon and trying to convey their wish, and they feel that this would be like a wish come true if I'll be able to speak or tell this to pile too. Okay, and I also feel that you were also expecting some kind of communication from someone, and that's coming. So if this person is coming towards you, do not just walk away, show the back. Just listen, hear them out. What do they have to say? Okay, cut your losses. And if you feel that this is not what I want, what they are offering, then tell them that, you know what, I don't think this is working out for me. And you can put your foot down and tell them that this is what I want and this is what I don't want. And I've already suffered a lot, so I am not waiting for something which is not working out or is not long term. All right, Paltu? So yeah, this is what I have for you, Paltu. I hope you got some clarity through this reading. If you resonated something, please comment and let me know. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can reach out to me via Instagram or even WhatsApp me. Okay, until next time, Paltu. Bye-bye.